Hello kids! Today we'll be drawing an amazing bird. That bird is the loudest bird species. They are known for their colorful, vibrant and bright colored feathers like red, green, blue and yellow. Are you excited to know the name? They are called macaw. So we'll be drawing one. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. The first step is to make sure that we'll be drawing within the grid given to us. As I've already told you, grids are used by the artist to make sure that everything is within the proportion, right? So you have to make sure that you calculate how the lines are drawn within which box, okay? So this is the beak that we are making right now. We'll be starting here. They've already given us the curve. So you start from there. How will you see where to take the beak, like here or here? It's very easy. Just observe this bird. So we have to make sure that the beak goes very closely through these lines and then just come and touch the upper part, right? So let's get started. Now take the curve just from here. Like this. Is this close enough? Yes, it's close enough. Now let's do the lower part of the beak. Here you see we have already given the curve. So let's attach it. This is the line. So you will touch it here. Now you see the difference? There you see the difference. Now take this part, take it from here and then here. That's how you analyze, right? Great. So now we'll proceed step by step and complete the entire bird. Now, overall bird is completed, but we have to complete the branch on which the macaw is sitting. So let's get started. What you have to do is you have to make sure that you have to analyze till what box you have to finish the branch. So the straight part will be completing till this block. So complete it like this and then extend the branch to here and then give it a bend like this. Then get the diagonal portion up, get it here and then get to the other box. Like this. Then join it with the macaw like this. We need these spots also, so draw those circles and fill it. Just going till here. No, the line is here, it's not going. So this is how you analyze the grid. You have to have this spot only till here. And that's done, right? This is the trick for filling the boxes within the grid. You have to see the line. Now where's the spot? Here. And it's covering the line. So draw it here. Then come here, fill it. We've already drawn this. So just fill these. The color that you'll be filling in later will be brown. But I'm only doing this to explain how you have to fill the grids. Right? Now, this was just for the practice, okay? So let's get to the coloring. For colors, we'll be taking the red color first and fill wherever it's indicated here. So, what the trick was that I told you? That you have to make your own outline with the color so that you know which lines you do not have to cross. See, it's the grey one, so we'll be keeping it out of red. And this is entire in red only. So have your own outline. Even this feather will stay out of it. The beak portion will completely be out of the red color. And there you go. So the eyes will also be untouched. Give it a good outline. And then color it in one direction. Right? No white spaces. No white spaces. One direction only. Looks so bright already. And you're done with this red color. So now let's get to the other part. So now the bird is almost completed, but still 2 portions are left to be colored. So let's take this green, bright green color and fill the space. No white spaces to be left. This is done. To make it smooth, what I do is, that's a trick that I want to tell you. The extra color can be removed with the help of a scale so that you get a very smooth and nice color. There you go. That's useful, right? So now what you have to do is take a pink color and fill it inside the beak. That's the tongue of our macaw. Make sure you do not cross and touch the grey color of the beak. So let's use the trick again and remove the pink color also. The extra portion obviously. See how smooth you get. So that's how I've been doing every shade of the part of the macaw. And then it's ready. Go try it yourself. Thank you.